How to connect your Shopify store with your eBay store. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect and sync the products, the orders, and the inventories, the descriptions, everything between your eBay store and your Shopify store. Now, this won't be a tutorial about drop shipping from eBay to Shopify because if I dropship from eBay to Shopify, there isn't really any big tool to automatically sync the product information from eBay to Shopify. So I think eBay is just not optimized to be a good candidate for a drop shipping business. Uh, in a sense that you find eBay products to sell over there in your Shopify store. So to start, I'm going to give you two uh, methods that you can use. The first method involves an app from Shopify store. So let's just go ahead and do that and install the app by clicking Add Apps in the bottom left menu over here and click Shopify App Store. And you want to find an app that is called Professional Importer. So let's find the app Professional Importer for eBay. Let's search it and let's install. Now let's find it. Okay, so it's this one. It's the circle logo with a point up top. Okay, so in this app, let's click it. Let's click open app after you are done installing it. Now, this method is extra useful if you have your eBay store as your main store, in a sense that you need to connect your eBay store, in a sense that you want to import your eBay store products to Shopify instead of from Shopify to eBay. So this is especially good for eBay to Shopify. Now, the way this works is that after you log in and you sign up, I use an email specifically for the purpose of this video to sign up. And after you sign up, also you will see this menu over here. And what you want to do is just click eBay configuration, manage configuration, and then you connect your eBay account. So there will be a guide over here to just to a button to just click your eBay account, and it will take you to eBay to for you uh, to authorize the app for eBay. And then after that, it's as simple as going to products, and you can have the option to to sync your product from eBay to Shopify. So that is how simple this is. Now, what happens if you wanna sync from Shopify to eBay? Okay, so there are other methods that you can use. And the method that I find is best for now is to use Zapier. So if you haven't known already, Zapier is an app for you to create integrations and automations across apps. Now, this not only applies to Shopify or eBay, you can even imagine connecting your Notion to your Trello or etc. Now, what we need to do is just go to zapier.com and you sign up. I trust you enough to do your sign up. And then if you are in this home page over here, let's go to home. Okay. Now the cool thing about Zapier is that they have an AI tool right here. So you just so what we can do is just write what we need. So what we need is we need to sync products from eBay to Shopify, right? And vice versa. So After we enter that, there you go. It will create a workflow for us. So this is very useful, especially if you have uh, automations. If you want to do automations for two different particular apps that doesn't really have a support for each other, and this Shopify and eBay is a prime example of that. Okay, so let's try it. Sync products between eBay and Shopify. The trigger is new order, and the action is update product in Shopify, and then it will do custom actions in eBay, which I assume is to check the product in Shopify and support and add the missing product from eBay to eBay. Okay, so let's click try it. All right. So there's one thing to know here is that for as of now, Zapier only supports eBay new order event as the trigger, and a trigger is the first uh, action box that you have in your Zapier. So if you have other if you think of other uh, triggers, like maybe the event is new product created, unfortunately it is not been supported by Zapier as of now. But no matter, because with this workflow, you can sync your product from eBay to Shopify. So for the actions in eBay, you can do custom actions. And this is a way for you to add a product to eBay from Shopify. So if you have a product that's available in Shopify but not on eBay, you have to do your custom action. But it is still an AI generated action, so to speak. So it's not really a fully supported feature just yet. But this does work. So I am not going to show you exactly how it works, because Shopify does require a premium account, which I don't have currently. But what you want to do is to just connect your Shopify account, and connect your eBay account in each boxes. And after you're done with the app and event and account, you will go ahead and test it. There is already a video about using Zapier. I recommend you to do that, to watch that. It's about connecting Shopify, connecting Notion with Todoist. So yeah, I hope you can search for the video. Now, those are the two methods of connecting your Shopify to eBay. Now, of course, you can find other apps, but they're most of the time they're paid, and it's either just a free trial or just it straight up doesn't work. So the two options that I told you now is actually the options that works best as of currently. So I hope you have a good luck. Thank you very much for watching.